Nilang primary operator dito sa Fisher Mall. Ito ang aming machine na XP600. Ang aming printer head. Yung copying. Clean. Ito ng wiper. Tana. Ito test. ABR plug, ground wire, at waste tank. Makakatapon ng kahapon. Aming use supply at in-use supply. Ito naman ang aming workload. Printer daily checklist. Yellow, cyan, black, magenta, white,